Can you
buy
say
a car. I said, what is a car?
I just want to see his skirt.
A car is a thing you can drive your places on. I said, sounds neat.
Sounds like I said. Sorry.
I said, oh, I might buy that. How much is it?
When will this be over?
Then he said, it's $125
Started
per month.
42 seconds.
I said, woo, that's awesome, yeah. I'm enough for that, yeah. Then he said, why not buy a football field? What is a football field? He said, it's a football field. It's a place where you can lift your arms and head and you try to run for a touchdown. That's when you get to score, yeah.
Who knows?
Then I said, sounds neat.
Great way to end the day. It's already been 1 minute
How
25
much is
seconds.
that?
Long enough for Miss New
He
Jersey
says it's
talent.
$20 million.
Too long.
Ooh, $20 million, huh? How about you cut that price for $20?
Gosh.
And then
$1 million lower?
Then the man said, sounds neat.
Oh my god. I'm gonna show you this, Ricky. See what you've done.
Then I said,
Pink things have really made a difference.
why not by the beach? I said, what is the beach?
Show the tennis
He
wedding.
said, it's a place where families go and get eaten by a shark. I said,
Nice.
sounds neat. I said, sounds neat.
Hey, you're filming his speech.
I don't care.
How much is it? He said it's $39.95. Yes,
Like
he
the
got the price. And I thought he got the chase. I said, sounds neat.
Hey, do you know what this is from?
No, not at all. He totally made this up.